Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and I just did a video about the red dot pointer on a laser and how important it is. And I can't imagine not having one. If you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch part one. We're trying to figure out to make sure these 7 crosses will fit on what's left of your sheet of plywood on this end. But if you don't have a red dot pointer, you could always do this. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 8 inches. We're going to select all these. Hold down the shift key and double click your rectangle, and then move it down those 8 inches. Take you a rectangle or a square and just put it on all 4 corners. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you've got it in the corner. So you can see the corner. Like that one's not. So let's grab it and put it in the corner. Doesn't have to be exact. Then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete those 2 lines, and then take away your rectangle. And another way you could do that, those squares are still in a box. You can nudge them over and then get rid of your rectangles and just hit delete. And then these are still part of a curve. And then nudge them up to your crosses. In this particular case, it works perfect because you could run this like at 100 speed at 2 power and just lightly mark the wood anyway. But you're going to have those 2 X's. Let me see if I can't just bring them into the picture up here. It's not going to be the same size, but you get the idea. So it's going to mark that wood right there, hopefully, as long as it's on the plywood, this is going to be on the plywood. This picture was taken at a different angle then. So I hope that made sense. It'll mark that wood on all 4 corners to know, like in this particular case, it's going to mark it way up here because I got it really, really close. But look, I'm just like a 1/4 of an inch of wood left on both sides. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.